All right, good morning. So let's talk about one more practical use of eddy currents. You might have seen the vending machine in which coin is inserted. So when the coin is inserted initially at point A, the potential difference is applied across the coin, and the coin then goes on to the inlet track. You can see the diagram, and as the coin moves down the incline, there are two magnets on the incline, inlet track. These magnets slow down the speed of the coin, and this is done with the help of eddy currents that get generated in the coin when the coin passes through the two magnets. And then you can read what happens, but primarily in a vending machine, when you see the magnets, that is where the eddy currents get generated in the coin to slow down the speed of the coin. Thank you.